Hi everyone! I just recently purchased a home from Rudy's team. The reason of buying the house is I really want to own my first house. The rent is increasing all the time and I don't have enough money to pay that rent, so it's better to own a house. Somebody from Rudy's team called me and I don't even know her, and she is so nice that she told me she will help me find a house. And when I went there after my vacation, she introduced me to Ben. And that's why I found Ben. Ben is a very understanding and patient person, and he is very kind. Whatever questions I have for him, he will answer it right away. And if he doesn't know the answer, he will just call somebody and we'll get the answer for that. I've been looking for a house for the past 3 years, but then Monterey Park is a place wherein everything is expensive. But then when I met Ben, he told me that no, you can buy a house here in Monterey Park. I don't believe in myself, but then because of his encouragement, I became strong enough and I said, oh, maybe I can buy this house. I'm really satisfied with the services of Ben, and he is really the God-given realtor for us. Because Ben, whenever we see houses, he is already prepared for all the houses that we're going to visit. So from those houses, I could select which one I want. And so finally, we get into this house, and Ben told me that I can buy this house. But I said, it's so expensive. I think I could not do it. I could not buy it. But he said, you can buy it. I will help you buy this house. And that's the turning point of everything. After purchasing this house, overall, I'm satisfied with Rudy's team, especially Ben, my realtor. And if anyone is looking for a house, I would definitely recommend Ben and Rudy's team. They are awesome.